Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification required on App Store in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are having the issue that you have two verification required in App Store, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check that you are connected to internet via your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then you have to go for settings. Go for general, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. And once you have disconnected, you have to make sure that there is no any software update available. So go for software update and try to update your software. And once you have done, now what you have to do, you have to open up your app store and you have to change your country or region respective in which you're living. So open the profile in the top right corner, then select your account from here, and here you have to simply scroll down and look for the option of country or region. So first you have to verify yourself here using your Apple ID password or your Face ID. Then select the country or region from here, and you just have to select the country or region in which you're living. So you have to wait for until it's loading. Then scroll down and look for the country or region in which you're living. For example, I have already selected mine, but I'm going to select anyone from here. Once you have selected, tap on the continue option, then tap on agree option in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method using your credit card or debit card. You have to add all information required from here. Once you have added, you have to tap on this done option. So once you have that, you have to go for manage payments. And from here, you can easily manage if you are having the issue that your verification required on App Store in any iPhone. So you have to add your payment method here, and once you have done, you will not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix if your verification required on App Store in iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.